Alright, so my name is Das. I'm a SEO specialist and a webmaster as well. So in this tutorial, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use keywords everywhere tool for YouTube. Yes, you heard right. That's why you have found this video, right? Anyway, so maybe you have choose this tool, or maybe you are going to buy this tool, or you have already bought this tool. It is working with credits, right? So you just have to pay $10 for like 100,000 credits, and you can use for months. You can use this tool because you have to just switch on when you do the keyword research, right? And then you are not spending your credits. Just so that's how it works anyway. So keywords everywhere tool, it's a plugin, actually plugin or extension. What do you, I don't know what do you call it, but it was free, and so now we have to pay for it. Yeah, that's okay. So in this channel I am bringing a lot of content about SEO and web designing and internet marketing and how to earn money online, and these everything like what I do for a living. So make sure hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well, because I'm going to put more content often, right? Because I didn't actually put any content in this channel like before, but now I started again because I was busy anyway. So enough talking, so let's go to the screen, to the screen. I'm doing a one video after so long time. I couldn't do any videos for my channel. Oh no! Because I was busy with my other channels. Anyway, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use keywords everywhere for YouTube, right? So the thing is, keywords everywhere tool, it's for keyword research, right? It is not only for YouTube. So you can use any kind of keyword research. I think I need to get it a little bit down because otherwise you cannot see this. Yeah, okay. So when you install keywords everywhere tool, and it is free, I mean, to install, right? But to see the volume and the competition and all other stuff, you need to pay for it. But it was free, keywords everywhere, but now we have to pay for it. But it is not that expensive anyway. Once you install it, so it is coming here, right? And then you can see it is off, right? So what I can do is I can just switch on, right? And also you can see credits left, right? So I have like 94,000 something. So this is the second time I put the money into this, I think. Yeah. And you can use for this like 100,000 credits for like maybe I think 4 or 5 months. How many times you are using the keyword research, how many keyword research you do for a week, right? So what I have to show you another thing in keywords everywhere. So when you click this, and then you need to go to settings, and then it is coming to this page, right? So in this page I have actually covered my API. So here actually I can highlight the volume, right? And the highlight PC. Okay, I can highlight competition as well if I want. I can set up like highlight the volume, so more than 250, right? So something like this. So when it highlights, it's so this is the color I have put here. Our website, Google Search Console, and so much stuff, Amazon, Majestic, and so much stuff. And sometimes it is this one, right? Show metrics in autocomplete suggestion drop down. Sometimes this is coming like this, so you have to take this as well to get to like more details. Okay, so now I just type Bluehost review. Okay, this is just an example. Let's say that you want to do Bluehost review video on YouTube, right? So why we are on Google? So the point is, if someone's searching on Google, that means they are also using or searching YouTube as well, right? Because the YouTube is the second largest search engine, right? And the other thing is, sometimes when something is ranking on YouTube, it is ranking on here as well, on Google as well, right? Okay, in this, for this term there is no any videos, so you can see this green color, right? So I did that in the settings, right? So it is highlighting all the volume more than which have more than 250 searches, right? So 110 is not highlighted because it is less than 250, right? When I do this, it is easy for me to see the, I mean, get data easily. Okay, so when you type something, there are some so on the suggestions there are showing all the data as well. So this is this show metrics in autocomplete suggestion, this one. Okay, you have to take this, then they are coming here as well. So let's say Bluehost reviews Reddit, right? So it says 110, and it says, so if you want to do a ad on Google, it's saying it's like $2.10, right? $2.10, right? And this one is the competition, right? This one actually I don't do it much. It is, I don't believe in this. The competition I don't believe, to be honest, right? If you know what you do, you don't have to depend on this metrics. So even this channel, when I'm do this video, you can see I have like 300 something like subscribers in my Nimantadai's channel. So I always try to do the searches like low competition searches, right? So when you do the keywords research with keywords everywhere for YouTube, you have to go with low searches and low competition. So I think your channel is new, maybe you have less than 1,000 searchers, sorry, 1,000 subscribers like me. So you have to go with low searches. Don't go with like 10k, 8k, 5k and 15,000 searches, right? Because they are big fishes. So but the thing is, you need to start from the low authority, right? So I'm a SEO specialist and I'm a webmaster as well. So I do this stuff every freaking day. So if you want to do keyword research with keywords everywhere for YouTube, I mean, it doesn't have to be a keywords everywhere tool. Doesn't matter which tool you use, but you have to go with low authority, right? Low competition, low searches keywords when your channel, right? When your YouTube channel new, right? Because you have zero backlinks, you have zero authority, so you have to start from the beginning, right? And then step by step, and then you can target for a little bit higher keywords. Okay, so in this how to use keywords everywhere for YouTube video, I'm going to show you another thing. So the people, you can see people also search for, right? So when you do the keyword research with your YouTube video, and then when you make the video, you need to put tags, right? So try to go through these, right? There are so much, right? Because these are exactly what people are searching for. And use them only when it is relevant, because that doesn't work, doesn't make sense. So go with the low searches, right? So if you want to do how to use keywords everywhere tool for YouTube, first one, I'm repeating maybe again, sorry if I'm repeating again, go with low searches. This is definitely big. I will go with A, Bluehost review for blogging. Maybe this has no volume at all. Oh, it went off. Okay, that's a little bit strange. Sometimes it happens. Doesn't matter. Okay, so now you can see Bluehost reviews for blogging. There's a keyword, right? Yeah, there's a keyword, but it has zero volume, right? But the thing is, don't go crazy with this any kind of keyword research tools, because they are not 100% correct. Oh no! Okay, I have a website, and when I target that keyword, the keyword tool said it has, I think I used href, yeah, for that video, that website when I make it. So when I use href, and it said it has zero volume, right? But it has, so every day this blog post getting and bringing traffic, but it's not true, you know. So don't go crazy with the keywords tools. So when it says zero, that means it's not real, I mean, okay? Because if Google suggesting something like this, that means people are searching, okay? Especially when it is your YouTube channel is really new, like you have few subscribers, maybe you have 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers, doesn't matter, maybe you have 1,000 subscribers, but go with the low volume at the beginning, right? And then you need to add relevant tags to your video, right? You can see it, people also search for. That's how you can use keywords everywhere for YouTube. So this is how you can use keywords everywhere tool for YouTube. I think you learned something with this video. If you got some value, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you like to earn money online. If you like to learn SEO and web designing as well. Alright, so then see you in the next video, guys.